Hey guys, amberalycee here. Welcome back to my channel where you can find all things hair, makeup, and product review related. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an initial unboxing of some hair that I ordered from Yolissa hair company. So if you're interested in that, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, so before we hop into the unboxing, I do want to say that I am recording 2 videos in one day, so you may see this look again on my channel, but the first video was of this look that you see me with right now. So if you do like my makeup look, then I will be posting a video probably after this one of how I created this look. Also, if you like the hair that I'm wearing right now, this is some hair from Yolissa hair company, and it is a unit. I had this unit made over 2 years ago, so that just speaks volume of how good this hair actually is. It is the Malaysian straight, and so I'm just going to go ahead and show you what that looks like, and I will be linking a link down below just in case you want to check out their hair as well. Alright, so now getting into the hair that we are here for today is the Yolissa. I ordered the loose deep wave Malaysian, and I ordered a 20-inch closure, a 24-inch, 26-inch, and two 28-inch bundles of the loose deep wave. So here is the package. And so the total of this hair was $353.22. However, I did use a 4% off discount code, which took off around $14, and I ended up paying $33.09 in total. So this is the package that it came in, and I will say when I first opened this package up, it smelled really bad. So I am hoping that the hair does not smell the same. Yeah, this smells pretty bad. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and this is really cute. I did see this on a couple of other videos, and so I was wondering if it was more of like a PR thing, or if you worked with the company, would you still be getting the bag? And so I can say I did pay my own money for this hair, and it is not a sponsored video, and they did still give me the drawstring bag. So I am pretty you know, excited about that because I can use that for other things. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the hair. All right, so they did include a wig cap just in case you were interested in turning this into a unit. I am not gonna turn this into a unit. I plan on getting this sewn in. I haven't had a sew in a while, but I just want one, and besides, it's getting hotter now, so wearing wigs are just not ideal for me in the summer anyways. I mean, this is the longest that I've went with wearing units in the summer. It's already June, and usually I would either be in a different type of protective style by now. So it is getting very hot, and the wigs are getting very overwhelming, so I'm definitely going to be sewing this in, so that way, even though the hair is extremely long, you know, my scalp can still breathe and it won't be as suffocating. All right, and this is the closure, and then we have the 4 bundles that I ordered. So this is, let's see, the 2 28s, and then the 26 and the 24-inch, and I am going to go ahead and open those for you guys so you can see what they look like. So this is the packaging. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it does have, very lightly, it has the 28 inches right there. Right here, it also includes the hair type that you got, but I can't get it to focus in. So again, like I said, this is the loose deep wave, and this is the 28-inch bundle, and this is what the weft looks like. So I can say that I'm actually pretty impressed with this, because for this to be a 28-inch bundle and to get this kind of to get a weft size that is this big, I can say from other companies that I have ordered from, the weft was a lot smaller than this, so I am happy about that. Yeah, so I am going to be washing this before I get this put in my hair anyways. So the smell is not that great. It does smell like they attempted to wash it before sending it, but it also has kind of like that warehouse smell, I guess you could say. And so the hair, as you can see, I will be measuring this, but this definitely, I can already tell, is 28 inches because it's already past my waist, and I am 5'5", so just looking at it and stretching it out, I can definitely say that this is 28 inches, and I'll probably include some pictures of me with a measuring tape just to show you, you know, just to see if it actually is 28 inches. But I can pretty much already tell just from where it stops at on me that it's definitely going to be 28 inches. All right, so I usually just go ahead and dye all of my bundles black, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to dye this yet because, as you can see, this hair did come pretty dark. Usually it comes in like a natural 1B or a brown color, but I may not have to dye this at all. So I did just get my nails done, so I kind of don't want to run my hands through it because I don't want it to snag, but I am going to do that just to test for shedding. So just running my fingers through it, and the texture is so pretty once you kind of loosen it up. And so the hair is also soft, I forgot to mention that, and I'm not getting, let's see, yeah, I'm not getting any shedding when I run my fingers through it. So let's try this this hand, and there's no shedding. Yeah, so overall, no shedding when I run my hands through it. And look at how beautiful this texture is just from running my fingers through it. I am very excited about getting this put in, you guys. I have wanted some loose, deep wave hair for so long when it first came out. I don't really know why I never actually got it, but this was pretty affordable to say for the inches that I got. And so I'm definitely excited about getting this installed. And I'm going to try to show this to you all. We'll show it to you so you can see kind of where it stops on me. But this is the 28 inch. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the other 28 so you can see pretty much the difference in the pattern from when I ran my fingers through it and then what it looks like with just the natural wave. And this is the width size of this one, and like I said, I'm pretty impressed with how much they actually gave you for a 28 inch. So just a comparison of the two next to each other, one manipulated and one not, and honestly they look pretty both ways. So I just wanted you guys to see what it would look like, what the texture would look like without it. And I'm going to kind of step to the side so you can kind of see what it would look like against the white background. I am definitely excited for this hair. I mean, this is going to be beautiful. I can't wait to come back and show you guys what it actually looks like once I get it installed. Right, so this is the 26 inch bundle. And again, I'm going to measure all of these. And this is pretty long for 26 inches. It actually stops almost around the same spot that the 28 inch stopped. So I'm going to see if this hair runs longer. So this is the width size of the 26 here, and then just comparing it to the 28. You can see that there's really almost not any difference, if any difference at all. So I'm definitely probably going to be ordering from this company again, you know, depending on how the hair goes and how it holds up. All right, so this is the last bundle, and you can pretty much see that this hair is definitely true to length. And then width size again. This is the width size of all of them together. So this is the 28, the 26, and the 24. And literally no difference. All right, and then this is all 4 of the bundles together. And then lastly, we're just gonna go ahead and open up the closure. And I did get a middle part, and I did the medium brown. They have the option, you can do transparent or you can do the medium brown, and it comes with this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it has the little net that comes around the closures, a few baby hairs at the front. This is what the lace looks like, and then the hair itself. So again, this feels really good. This actually feels softer than the actual bundles. All of the bundles were soft, but this closure feels extremely soft. And I also wanted to say that I thought I had a hair there, but I didn't. But I also wanted to say that I am very glad that this closure came with the same texture, because sometimes you can order, especially with curly hair, you'll order the lace closure and the texture is just off. Like it'll be really straight and then a little bit of the curl. So again, you can look here and see that the texture is pretty much or definitely the same. So I am glad about that. And the closure smells a little better, but it still has that kind of pre-wash smell mixed with like the packaging. So overall, like I said, I was not satisfied with the smell of it, but it's not that big of a deal because I am going to be washing the hair anyways before I install it. And just looking at it, I think I probably will be going in and bleaching the knots. So I don't know if you can see that too well. And that's the middle part. And I can say that they did a pretty good job with the pre-plucking, so I won't really have that much to do with that. All right, and to decrease my chances of shedding once the wefts actually get cut, I used to do this a lot back when I was in high school. And this product here is basically, it is a fray check. You can find this at Walmart in the sewing section, and I use this to go around the wefts. So I'll undo the wefts and I pretty much just put this on it, and it's called sealing wefts. I'm not really too sure if people do that too much now. I know it was a big thing a couple of years ago, but I always seal my wefts before I get an install or anything like that. So again, it is the freight check, Walmart in the sewing section. And I'll probably include a clip of how I did it once I do my install video, and I'll probably also include a clip of how I actually bleach the knots if I decide to do that, which I'm thinking that I am. But if I do, I'm definitely going to include those clips. But 100% for sure going to be doing this before I get my hair installed. This is just the closure with all of the hair together. And so overall, I am very excited about this hair. I'm definitely glad that I went ahead and ordered from Yolissa. I saw a lot of great reviews about it on YouTube, just watching other videos. And like I said, I know a lot of people wonder, is the hair any different from the hair that comes from people that they actually send the hair to? And I can pretty much say that this hair is very heavy, and I'm really just happy with how big these wefts are for the inches that I actually have. So initially I was actually going to order 2 30 inches and then 2 28s, but I was nervous because I didn't know what the weft size was going to be like. But just moving forward, I probably will. I know for sure now I can safely go ahead and order 30 inches and 2 28 inches, and then I'll know that I'll have enough hair. So if you are like me and you definitely like to wear longer hair and you're wondering about the weft size and if you should do the 30 inch or not, I would definitely say go for it, because just from the hair that I did receive, you'll definitely have more than enough hair. So this is pretty much going to conclude my initial unboxing of this hair from Yolissa Hair Company. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and include some photos of me measuring these, and then I'll probably also try to show what it looks like on me, you know, whenever I stretch it out from the nape of my neck all the way down to where it reaches. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.